Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are packing for Walt Disney World. Yay! So I feel like I've been waiting forever. Well, since April to be exact. But we are just 2 days away and I'm so excited. I still have so much to do. I have to get my nails done. I have to get my eyebrows done. I have to get a few last minute things for Aiden's birthday because he is spending his birthday in Disney World, so I'm super excited for that. I think this is his officially second birthday that he gets to spend in Disney. I also have to call Emirates and order a cake for him, but that's a whole other story. Anyways, so today I'm packing. I think I have pretty much everything that I need. I calculated, recalculated. This is gonna be our longest trip ever. I will most likely end up doing laundry, probably, but I think I have everything that I need and I have it all right over here. And on this trip I am taking the Away bigger carry-on. I love that luggage, I love that suitcase, and each of us will have our own backpack, with my little guy Andrew having the smallest backpack. Just, you know, I don't want to overstuff it for him, so he has a smaller backpack, and that's it. And also this will be the first time that we're not taking the stroller to the airport. Like, we're not taking the stroller with us to Disney. I am renting one in Disney because I know my little guy is going to need it. Also going to the Boo Bash. It's gonna be a lot of walking. It's gonna be very late out. So I know he's gonna need a stroller, but I'm trying to come up with a new traveling system, which I will still come back and report on. But the start of that is trying to eliminate as many bags as possible, trying to get rid of the stroller and pack for each and one carry-on. Anyways, without further ado, let me show you everything that I have here. Try to fit it all in into one luggage. Wish me luck. I kind of laid it out in categories or in some sort of order for it to make sense for this video. This is my bigger carry-on, a travel suit. These are the backpacks that we are taking. So the Toy Story one is Andrew's. It's the smallest one. Adidas is Aiden, and then this Mickey Mouse one is mine. Obviously not going into the suitcase. So right here we have their shirts, shorts, and hoodies for their flight. We are, you know, leaving in the afternoon, getting to Orlando in the early evening hours. I'm sure it's gonna be like a sauna over there. But you know, in flight, kids always need to be a little bit cozy, so got them the sweaters. I will probably also show that they each have a pair of socks. These are brand new jackets, rain jackets that I ordered for the kids. They are beyond adorable, and they have the Mickey ears. Like, I just can't. I'm obsessed. So these are from Colombia, and they literally just came in today, right in the nick of time before our trip. Reviews are good. The quality seems amazing. Very lightweight, very breathable, and the fact that they have Mickey ears on top, I just like, I can't even handle. And you can also hide the ears. So that's that. These two are just kind of more heavy duty ponchos, so I will typically wear one and then the other one I will cover the stroller with, or if it's a very, very heavy rain, I will give it to Aiden and I will just wear my rain jacket that I have, which I purchased on Shop Disney. This is an umbrella. I got it on Shop Disney. Haven't used it yet, to be honest. I'm not sure how it's going to do because it doesn't seem that heavy duty, but definitely will give it a try and I'll let you guys know at some point in time. But I did order a couple of umbrellas, I think last year, and we took it, and the first mega rainstorm that Magic Kingdom had, the umbrellas just like they broke instantly. So we'll see. I have my, I guess my makeup, my just body spray, my setting spray, just a little bit of translucent powder, mascara, and then I have Crystal Collagen Gold eye mask, which I have quite a few of them, and I will be needing it for sure. And then of course you cannot go to Florida without this. This is a must. Is it gonna focus? Well, I'm sure you guys know what this is. These are a must. So that's all I really have in here. And that is my kind of like medication. This is prescription, so if I get like a breakout or whatever, this is good, and it has like a roll-on, so it's perfect. Here, I haven't used it yet because I recently got it, well, a couple months ago. I got it in my subscription box to Bippity Boxes. So this is like a little wallet. It still has a tag, but I figured for the Boo Bash it'll be super cute too. I don't know, just super cute. The Sanderson sisters. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Obsessed. This is going with me on the airplane. I think I have my prescription allergy medicine in here. I have regular allergy medicine. I always carry like this is a lidocaine patch because I do have back pain every once in a while, so that definitely helps. Then in this compartment, sorry, I'm trying to do everything with one hand, I have some emergency, which I start taking a couple days before I go to Disney, and then every day in Disney. And I also have a couple of cough drops because, you know, sometimes you get that dry, itchy throat. And then you don't want to be coughing, especially during this time. And I don't have anything over there. So this kind of goes with me all the time. Small, convenient, and has everything that I need for the flight. So here is a box with a few little jewelry pieces. I have purchased a few things myself from Bubble Bar, but I also have gotten a few things through my subscription from Bippity Boxes, which I can link the videos somewhere here. You could see. So much fun, such great subscription. This is my Lillian and Co bracelet. Let me see if it'll focus here. It says great big beautiful tomorrow. Bracelet that I got from subscription box from Bippity. And this is, I believe, Alex and Ani, which is super cute. I like this like rose gold. That's kind of like my thing. Okay, this I have to show you. I haven't worn these yet, but I figured, you know, for Disney they're perfect. They're a little bit too big, but hey, I can be a little extra in Disney. So those are earrings. And then another set of earrings. This is also from Bubble Bar. And this is like Disney fireworks, I believe they call them. And this came from my Bippity subscription box. Aiden has his gel in this bag, which also probably will go in my suitcase. I should say will go on my back. So it has, this is actually my portable charger that goes into my suitcase wherever it is. It's in the back. So I had to, you know, actually pay a little bit extra when I was purchasing my suitcase so I can have this external battery. So that's great. This is another external battery. Our little Polaroid camera, and all the wires and all the chargers that you can possibly think of. Right here, we just have a bunch of masks. Aiden actually prefers these kinds of masks, and I think they're from Jack and Cat, or Cat and Jack. I always do. Are for me. I'm gonna try to wear them during the Halloween, but I do prefer the disposable masks for myself and for little baby Andrew. So we have that. Now to go back over here, this is going to be just like my pool dress when we're going to the pool. And here, my entire wardrobe. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dresses here. I'm not sure one of these I will wear for the Halloween party, probably the orange one. Honestly, I like the dresses. It's light, it's airy, it's comfortable. They're not short, they're not too long. I feel very comfortable wearing dresses to Disney World. So honestly, I'm not really taking anything else but the dresses. I will have my jean jacket that I fly with just in case it's, you know, cold up there, but that's about it. Here, these were my ears that I got on my last trip, so I do plan on taking them with me, taking only 1 pair because I do plan on buying more. This is Aiden's safari hat. He is taking, I guess, when it's hot, when it's super sunny, when he's by the pool, when we're in the parks. And I have Andrew's hat that I actually have to kind of like stitch up a little bit. Oh, he's gonna have that in his backpack. It's not Christmas, but my kids love these pajamas. So pajama pants, I should say. So there's one for each. They keep them warm and cozy because I like the AC blowing. We recently got goggles for the kids, so they want to bring those for the pool. I think they're allowed. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check. I can let you guys know after we come back. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of shorts, and that makes 8 pairs of shorts because the kids are flying in a pair of shorts. So I think that's plenty. And here are the shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is also perfect. I am waiting for shirts from Etsy. I don't know if they're gonna make it on time, but it is just like for Aiden's birthday. So fingers crossed they'll come. But you know, those are easy. You can just like roll it up and stick it anywhere pretty much. So the boys are gonna fly, I think, in their Crocs, and these I put them into obviously Ziploc bags, and each one is gonna put one into their backpack, so then that way they have just an extra pair of shoes. And speaking of shoes, I'm also gonna be flying in just regular black flats, super comfortable. And then I think I'm gonna take white flats that I have and just put it in the backpack, so that doesn't take a lot of space. What is this called? Oh my god, what is this called? I forgot already. Packing cube. It's pretty much the boys' swimwear, socks, underwear, and just like white t-shirts that obviously work as pajamas for them, and also just like pool shirt if they need something to change quickly in. So this is all for them. It's pretty full, but that's that. Here in this tiny packing cube is my undergarments and my pajama and my bathing suit, and like, you know, the size much smaller. I don't need that much. Okay, so here are some snack bags. So this is gonna go with my kids into their backpacks. So I think they have 3 packs of cookies each, 2 sets of wipes, and then they both have 2 packs of pretzels. And then of course once we get to the airport, we'll get them water and whatever else they need. So these are goodies that go into my kids' backpacks for them to keep themselves busy more than anything for my little guy. So I have 2 of these. I actually bought it on Shop Disney. I don't know, one of the last sales that they had, like a really good sale. So I thought this was perfect. It has a lot of great activities. I have 2 of them obviously, so it'll keep them busy. And then I have these Doorables, which my little guy loves, because he just kind of loves to open things, and this takes up a lot of time, so this is good. I picked up these at the not so dollar section in Target, so I have 2 of that. I think these squishies we got, I want to say in Five Below, so I figured that this would be also perfect for them to just like squeeze, I don't know, whatever kids do with them. Play-Doh is absolutely a lifesaver on the flight, so I will probably give him 1 of these going there, and then I will save 1 for coming home. I just recently picked these up from Target. I want to say they were like $5 each, so I thought that they were cute because I used to play with this when I was a kid. So of course, you know, I got 2. So hopefully that will keep them entertained. Oh, here's another Play-Doh. And then I have packs like this, so which I'll probably save these for coming back, since they will have these bigger activity books to do now, which is, you know, new and fun and exciting. I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod and I'm gonna pack this up. I think this is doable. I think I'm not overpacking this trip. I think my plan is working, my strategies are working, and the only thing I feel like I missed is I have the toothbrushes for the kids. These are just like spare ones. Obviously I'll have my toothbrush and some toothpaste, and I think like a razor, and maybe like a small little thing of like lotion. But that's about it. did it. I'm super happy. I did struggle a little bit with the packing cubes to try to get all my kids' shirts and shorts into one packing cube, but I didn't. I mean, the zippers are probably like ready to pop. I did it, and this strategy is gonna work for me. Like I mentioned before in the beginning of this video, I'm just really trying to come up with a better system for me and my kids as I travel alone with them all the time. Just trying to eliminate the hassle of bags and dragging things through the airport. That's not necessary. A few other things that I have done to help me with this process was I recently just applied for TSA pre-check. So this is gonna be our first time using it, so I'll definitely come back and report on that. I also invested, which is a small investment, into an owner's locker. So I will be sure to come back and tell you all about that. I plan to record a video for and during and probably after, explaining the process, explaining how things work and how it's making it much more easier for me. I just want it to be easy. That's all I want. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.